Teeth is an American comedy horror movie which got released in 2007. The movie tells the story of Dawn, who is a teenage girl currently living with her mother Kim, her stepfather Bill, and her stepbrother Brad. After school, Dawn likes to visit the local Christian abstinence group. During a gathering, Dawn meets Toby, another member of the abstinence group. She feels instantly drawn to him. However, due to their beliefs, Dawn and Toby decided not to pursue each other. Dawn and Toby eventually change their minds and decide to spend more time together. They meet at a local swimming hall. After swimming, Dawn and Toby rest inside a cave. They start kissing, but Dawn changes her mind and starts rejecting Toby's advances. Unhappy with Dawn's responses, Toby starts to get really aggressive with her. During the scuffle, Toby knocks Dawn unconscious and starts raping her. Meanwhile, Dawn wakes up and Toby has no longer a penis. Horrified, Toby runs and falls off the cliff. Meanwhile, Dawn rushes to get out of the cave and flees the scene. After meeting with her Christian group, a fellow classmate Ryan approaches Dawn at the after party. She asks Ryan to drive her home. Still confused about what happened at the cave, Dawn goes back. She finds a crab crawling over Toby's penis. At this point, Dawn is aware that something is wrong with her. Therefore, she researches the term vagina dentata and decides to schedule an appointment with a gynecologist. During the consultation, Dr. Godfrey, the gynecologist, takes advantage of Dawn by inserting his whole hand into her vagina. Out of panic, Dawn's vagina bites Dr. Godfrey's fingers off. Once again, Dawn storms off the doctor's office. On her way home, Dawn sees a couple of police cars. Therefore, she decides to go back to the swimming pool to see what's going on. The police found Toby's dead body. Meanwhile, Dawn's ill mother faints while Brad and his girlfriend were having sex. When Dawn arrives, she rushes Kim to the hospital. Dawn goes to Ryan's place to seek solace. He sedates Dawn and starts fingering her. At first, Dawn rejects Ryan's sexual advances because she is afraid the vagina dentata will hurt him. After she has sex with him, Dawn realizes that everything is okay. When she engages in consensual sex, the teeth remains inactive. The next morning, Ryan and Dawn have sex again, but Ryan receives a call in the middle of the act. He picks up the phone and brags about how he won the bet of sleeping with Dawn. Enraged, Dawn's vagina dentata reacts and cuts Ryan's penis off. Bill tries to kick Brad out of the house, but he retaliates and unleashes his dog to attack his own father. The injuries prompt Bill to go to hospital. At the hospital, Melanie tells Dawn that Brad heard Kim's cry for help but decided to ignore her as he was having sex with Melanie. Furious, Dawn heads back home to seek revenge. At first, she puts makeup on, then she seduces Brad. While they are having sex, Brad recalls the bleeding finger incident. Then he realizes Dawn did not bite him with her mouth. Meanwhile, Dawn's vagina dentata does her job. Then she proceeds to drop Brad's penis onto the floor and the dog eats it. After leaving her stepbrother's room, Dawn takes her bike and starts to ride away from home. During her journey, one of her bike's tires flats out. As a result, Dawn hitchhikes and an old man picks her up. Dawn falls asleep for a moment, and when she wakes up, the old man locks the doors. He licks his lips and insinuates a sexual favor in the exchange to let her go. At first, Dawn is reluctant, but then she smiles. And in the end, Dawn is no longer a scared little girl running away from every creep that is trying to sexually assault her. After all the unfortunate events, Dawn emerges as a strong young woman. Just take a look at the last scene. Instead of running away from the creepy old man, she smiles. Why? Now Dawn is aware of her power of saying no to these creeps. As a matter of fact, she always had the right to say no, but her vagina dentata will let the perpetrator know that what the no means.